What are you going to do today? Do you know? You're going to get rid of those hiccups.